Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if your WhatsApp app is working improperly or not working at all on your iPhone. If you experience any problems with WhatsApp, I'm gonna show you 5 simple solutions to that problem. Make sure to follow them exactly, and also after each of them you may want to check if your problem still occurs. But if that problem occurs only occasionally, you may want to do each of them, just all of them, and later on it will just prevent that problem from appearing again. And the most common one is updating the app. Updating the app is pretty important to make sure that your app is working properly. So let's go to the App Store, and in the App Store search for WhatsApp. Here, click on that, and if it shows update, or in my case it shows resume for some reason, just click on that. And by the way, sometimes if you see here, it won't really show update, it will show open, and if you click on the app name, then it will show update on that app page. Once it's updated, of course, you should just check if that app is working properly, if you can check it, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. So the next step is permissions, and it depends on what's not working on your app, because sometimes it will be the like location, you can't share location, sometimes the photos, sometimes you just don't have internet access, so they all can be managed in the settings. Let's go to the settings and scroll all the way down to apps. In the apps, find WhatsApp. And here you'll see different permissions, and as you can see there are contacts, photos, microphone, and also notifications, live activities, background app refresh, and mobile data. And if you want your app to be fully working, you can just enable all of these, and for the ones that have different options like access limited or full, then set full access. And if you also have location anywhere here, you may also want to set it while using the app, or if you don't want to use location, you can also leave it on disabled, but you just need to know that you won't be able to share your location with the contacts within WhatsApp. And also, if you want to share your location, and here you just, even if you enable it, it doesn't work, then you may want to go back and find the privacy and security. Here you'll see location services, and make sure that they are enabled here at the top. And you should also be able to find the WhatsApp if you want to share your location within that app. If all your permissions have been checked, you can see if your app is working, and if it's not, then the next simple solution is pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons to restart your phone. So press and hold on these two buttons, then slide to power off and wait. You may wait for about 10 seconds, and later on start pressing and holding on the power button until the Apple logo comes up. If it doesn't, then release the button and try pressing and holding again. Once it appears, you can release it and wait for your phone to start. And now, as you can see, I'm in. I can unlock the phone, and you'll see that you can just open the WhatsApp, see if it works. If it doesn't, then we're gonna reinstall it. But before we do that, I'll need to warn you that you need to have access to your phone number that's associated with your WhatsApp account, because you may be asked to log in again once you reinstall that app, And if you don't have access to your phone number, you won't be able to log in because it just has to send a special code to your phone number, and you need to enter it in order to log into WhatsApp. So make sure that all of that is set. And also in WhatsApp, you may want to do a backup if you can access the app before you do that, because WhatsApp stores messages locally, and if you don't back them up, then they will be lost. At least the ones that haven't been backed up, because backups are automatic, but still some of the apps might have not been backed up if your backup interval is set to, for example, 1 week. And to do that, go into WhatsApp, then go into settings. Of course, if you can, then it will be in the let's see, because I never remember where you can find it. It's in the chats. So go to chats in settings, then chat backup, and click on backup now. It will just make everything work properly. And once you have that chat backup done, once it goes into 100%, you can press and hold on the app on the home screen, click on remove app, then delete app, then delete, and now go to the App Store, search for the WhatsApp, and download it again. Then shortly it'll appear on your home screen, probably in a different place, but you can of course move it back to that previous spot. And once it's installed, try opening and seeing if it works. If it still doesn't, then I have the last thing, which is freeing up your storage, because since WhatsApp stores messages locally, there is a chance that some of them, that if you are really low on storage, the messages may not work too good. So let's go to Settings app, and here you can just go to General, iPhone storage. You can see that I have quite a lot of free storage, like 30 gigabytes. That's quite a lot, but if you have much less, like several megabytes, and if it says that you are low on storage, then the first thing that you can do is search for apps that you don't need. If there are any apps that you don't need, you can click on that and either delete that app, so it will delete the app fully with its documents and data. But if you just want to delete that app temporarily and you don't want it to delete the documents and data that are stored in that app, you can offload it. So it'll reduce the app size to 0, but the documents and data will stay. And if you can't really uninstall any app, maybe the photos will help. Photos usually take quite a lot of storage. You can see in my case almost 2 gigabytes, and you can easily free up this storage by going to Photos, seeing if you have any replicate photos. Also, there is a chance that if you go to the utilities, you'll see here like one of the options maybe duplicates, like here, and then you can just click on merge to merge the exact copies. That just means that you have photos that are the very exact copies, and you can merge them into just one, so you don't have these unnecessary duplicates. And also videos take out quite a lot of storage, so if you go into your videos and see any video that isn't important to you, you can click on select, then select the video that you want to remove, or several of them. Click on the delete button, delete videos, and once they've been deleted from the videos, remember that they haven't been deleted permanently, so that your storage isn't yet freed up. In order to free it up, make sure that you really want to delete these videos. Once you're sure, go to recently deleted folder, and here the deleted files are stored for 30 days, and If you don't change your mind, if you don't recover that photo, it will be deleted automatically. But if you want to free up your storage now, you should go into the recently deleted, unlock it with your Face ID or passcode, and select the files that you want to delete permanently now. And once your storage has been freed up, your app should be working again. If it's not, then after freeing up your storage, you may want to restart your phone again. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.